Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, we will explore how to customize headers in a Word document, specifically how to delete the header text on the first page and adjust the page numbering accordingly. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like. It really helps out the channel. Now, let's dive in and learn how to customize headers in Word documents. I've created a 4-page sample document where we will delete the header from the first page using two different methods. In the first method, we will use the different first page feature in Word. To do this, double-click the header area on the first page. The header and footer tools will appear at the top. From there, check the different first page box. This will remove the header text as well as the page number if one was already there. If you scroll down, you will notice that the page number now starts at page 2. If you would like it to start at number 1 instead, that's perfectly doable. To do this, click in any header area in your document. Then, go to page number in the header footer tools. From the drop-down menu, select Format Page Numbers. In the pop-up window, choose the Start At option and enter 0 in the text box. Finally, click OK to close the window. Now, there is no header text or page number on the first page. As you can see, starting from the second page, both will appear and the page number will begin at number 1. Here is the third page with header text and page number 2. Here is the fourth page, which also looks pretty good. Finally, you can close the header and footer tools from the ribbon. In the second method, we will use section breaks, which allow you to divide your document into separate parts and control the headers for each section independently. In this case, I will insert a section break at the end of page 1. To do this, first, click at the end of page 1. Next, go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and select Next Page under Section Breaks. If any blank lines appear, you can delete them to format the second page as needed. Now, double-click the header on the second page. The header and footer tools will appear at the top. Make sure to uncheck Link to Previous to unlink this section from the one before it. This ensures that changes made in one section won't affect the others. Next, click inside the header area of page 1. Highlight the header text and press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can do the same for the page number if you would like to remove it as well. Don't worry, these changes won't affect the other sections since they are now independent. If you scroll down, you will notice that the page number now starts on page 2. If you would like it to start at number 1 instead, that's perfectly doable. To do this, click in any header area in your document. Then, go to page number in the header footer tools. From the drop-down menu, select Format Page Numbers. In the pop-up window, choose the Start At option and enter 1 in the text box. Then, click OK to close the window. Before we wrap up, let's review each page to make sure everything looks correct. I will scroll up and then down through the document. As you can see, the header text does not appear on page 1. Just as planned, both the header text and the page number starting at 1 appear on pages 2, 3, and 4. Finally, close the header and footer area by clicking Close Header and Footer in the ribbon. If you have enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'm here to help. Thank you for watching and see you next time.